Good morning. I'm on my way to my dental appointment. It's a bit cloudy today. 17 degrees Celsius and mukhang uulan. Mukhang uulan ng very light. Hindi na lang tayo dumaan. But still lovely day. A bit cool breeze. Medyo malamig-lamig ang simoy ng hangin. Parang simoy ng hangin sa Pilipinas pagka December. Something like that. Parang ganun ang ginaw. Sarap magkaroon ng dog. Mimiss ko tuloy yung alaga kong aso noon nung nasa Vietnam ako. Si Bibi. Meron sana akong sasabihin. Verse of the day, Proverbs of the day. Nakalimutan ko. Memorize ko yun eh. Na mental block sa sketch. Daan tayo dito sa shortcut. Papunta sa dentist. Look at this tree. Looks really old, isn't it? It's pretty. Give shade, especially pagka sobrang init. It's a big tree. Love it. By the way, itong lugar pala na to is Cirencester. This is called Abbey Grounds. Diyan ako usually naglalakad every morning for my morning workout or after lunch para pampatunaw ng mga kinain. Naglalakad ako dyan. Malapit lang sa bahay kaya very convenient for me. Pati yung dental clinic, everything is walking distance. Kasi dito ako nakatira sa mismong city center ng Cirencester. Isa yun sa ipinapapagpasalamat ko sa Panginoon kasi hindi nga ako nagda-drive. I haven't passed my driving test yet. So, very convenient para sa kagaya kong hindi nagda-drive ang malapit sa lahat. Right in front of my doorstep. Ika nga. All is good. Life is good. 10:15. Okay, perfect. 10:15 pa yung appointment ko. 2 minutes na lang. At least I'm not late. Ano eh? Dito na tayo. Kahit walang walk path. Malamang sasakyan eh. 2 years ago, ginawa tong 2 years ago ba? think a year ago. Ano kaya to? Is it a private property? I have no clue. Ito na. Genix Healthcare. Di ba, lapit lang. See you later.
That's his last name at first.